It's Tasty Tuesday, and I'm turning one of my meal prep chickens into something cozy, chicken and dumpling soup. Okay, I need to harvest some more. Oh my gosh, getting big. Look at that. More zucchini. But since my garden is overflowing with zucchini, I decided to toss some in too, because why not? To make this big batch, I added 12 cups of water. That's a complete chicken deboned. And 3 tablespoons of nour de pollo. I am using these freeze-dried potatoes because why not? Might as well use them up. They're perfect for soups. I added what would be several potatoes worth. Of course, you need celery and carrots. Add as many as you want per your heart. I like to use all my leftover veggies. And this time I'm adding a red onion because that's what I had. I like lots of onion. She's looking good. Zucchini is a fresh twist on classic comfort food, making it hearty, wholesome, and full of flavor. Sometimes the best recipes come from using what you already have. Now I'm adding some Mexican oregano because I like the flavor it adds. And this right here are bay leaves. I'm adding 2 or 3. I'm using the dumpling recipe off the back of the Bisquick box. I like lots of dumplings, so I added 3 cups of the Bisquick baking mix right there. Now comes 1 cup of the evaporated milk. Now I'm adding in those zucchini because they cook faster than the other veggies, so I add them in last, right before the dumplings. Now you drop the dumplings in by the spoonful. Doesn't that just look delicious? Cook uncovered for 10 minutes and then cover it up and cook for 10 minutes more. And here's the finished product. It was tasty, tasty, tasty.